So as already discussed, right? So Playwright has implemented their own locators. So the common locators we use XPath, CSS, but Playwright also given their own built-in locators. Okay, so many locators are there. So some of the example I will discuss. Okay, and you can directly get these locators using the selector hub that I will tell you later. Okay, so there are some recommended locators now we will discuss over there. So now we have a get by role to locate a locate by explicit and implicit accessibility attribute, get by text to locate by the text content, and now we have a get by label, get by placeholder, then we have a get by alt text. Basically when image is there, then those elements you will get. I will give you the example for all the locators, so you should not worry. And we have a get by title to locate by element by the title attribute. Now get by test id. Okay, so many more locators are there, so we'll use couple of locators, we'll practice it, so we'll get some idea. So let me I'll go to this application. Okay, so I will use first get by alt text. Okay, so when we will use get by text, when you have a attribute value alt equal to and some value. Okay, so this attribute when you have any images. Okay, so like in this I'll just inspect this and you could see we have a alt this value, right? Alt, so we will use here get by alt text. Okay, so let me start to write the test and we'll check it, we'll validate some operation of this to be visible. We will do some assertion as well. So I just created guys the test. Okay, and just I'm going to start to write. So we have to launch the application first. Okay, so page dot go to, and now use this. Okay, and after that await page dot get by alt text. Okay, and here we will directly pass this. Okay, this value you have to pass it. Okay, I'll pass this value, and return type we will validate this also. So I will store in one uh, variable, const logo uh comp. Okay, logo. Okay, logo image. Okay, and now I will just write one validation await expect, then I'll say logo image, and I'll say to be visible. Okay, and now we'll try to execute this code. Okay, so now npx playwright. Okay, test, then playwright locators dot spec dot js hyphen project. Okay, and chromium. Okay, hyphen headed. Okay, and just we are going to check this logo exists or not. Okay, and now you can see the test is passed. Okay, so you can check the report also, npx playwright so report, and now this is working fine. Okay, so this is how you can use get by alt text. Okay, so I will discuss another locators also, guys. Okay, that's all in this session. So in the next one, bye bye.